Italy is famous for its art, history, and culture, but it's also home to some of the most beautiful nature in the world. From the snow-capped mountains of the Alps to the crystal-clear waters of the Mediterranean Sea, Italy has something for everyone. In this video, we will show you 30 pictures of Italy nature that will make you fall in love with this country. Number 1. Italian Alps. The Italian Alps are a sight to behold with their snow-capped peaks and lush green valleys. Number 2. Lake Garda. Lake Garda is one of the largest lakes in Italy, and it's surrounded by stunning mountain ranges. Number 3. Cinque Terre. The Cinque Terre is a string of 5 villages that are perched on the Italian Riviera. The colorful houses and lush vineyards make for a picturesque scene. Number 4. Amalfi Coast. The Amalfi Coast is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it's known for its dramatic coastline and charming towns. From Positano to Amalfi, there's something for everyone on this beautiful stretch of coastline. Number 5. Capri Island. Capri Island is a small island off the coast of Naples, and it's home to some of the most beautiful beaches in Italy. Number 6. Sardinia. Sardinia is an island off the coast of Italy, and it's known for its white sand beaches and turquoise waters. The island is also home to a variety of unique wildlife. Number 7. Elba Island. Elba Island is another beautiful island in the Tuscan archipelago, and it is known for its secluded coves and crystal-clear waters. Number 8. Prosecco Hills. The Prosecco Hills are located in the Veneto region, and they're renowned for their rolling hills and vineyards. Number 9. The Dolomites are a mountain range in the Italian Alps, and they're renowned for their jagged peaks and stunning scenery. Number 10. Tuscany. Tuscany is a region in central Italy, and it's known for its rolling hills and vineyards. The region is also home to several medieval towns and cities. Number 11. Roman Castles. The Roman castles are a group of historic castles that are located near Rome. The castles are now in ruins, but they still make for a picturesque sight. Number 12. Gargano Peninsula. The Gargano Peninsula is located in the region of Puglia, and it is known for its lush forests and beautiful beaches. Ogliastra is a province in the island of Sardinia, and it is known for its rugged coastline and beautiful beaches. Number 14. Sicilian Countryside. The Sicilian countryside is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it is known for its rolling hills and vineyards. Number 15. Azzanara Island. Azzanara Island is a small island off the coast of Sardinia, and it is known for its white sand beaches and crystal-clear waters. The island is also home to a variety of wildlife. Number 16. National Park. The national park is located in the region of Abruzzo, and it is known for its dense forests and high peaks. The park is also home to a variety of wildlife, including wolves, bears, and deer. Number 17. Surcio National Park. The Surcio National Park is located in the region of Lazio, and it is known for its coastal lagoons and Mediterranean. The park is also home to a variety of bird species. Number 18. Madoni Mountains. The Madoni Mountains are located in the region of Sicily, and they're renowned for their wooded slopes and rocky peaks. The mountains are also home to a variety of hiking trails. Number 19. Stromboli Island. Stromboli Island is a small island off the coast of Sicily, and it is known for its active volcano. The island is also home to several beautiful beaches. Number 20. Aeolian Islands. The Aeolian Islands are a group of islands off the coast of Sicily, and they're renowned for their black sand beaches and volcanic landscapes. Number 21. Tuscan Archipelago. The Tuscan Archipelago is a group of islands off the coast of Tuscany, and they're renowned for their crystal-clear waters and white sand beaches. Number 22. Sardinia. The word means green in Italian, and it's a province in the island of Sardinia. It's known for its lush forests and mountains. Number 23. Gran Paradiso National Park. The Gran Paradiso National Park is located in the Italian Alps, and it is known for its glaciers and alpine meadows. The park is also home to a variety of wildlife, including ibex and Number 24. Belluno Province. The Belluno Province is located in the Italian Alps, and it is known for its stunning mountain ranges and picturesque lakes. Number 25. Lake Maggiore is one of the largest lakes in Italy, and it is surrounded by beautiful gardens and parks. The lake is also home to several islands. Number 26. Verona Province. The Verona Province is located in the Veneto region, and it is known for its rolling hills and vineyards. The province is also home to the city of Verona, which is famous for its Roman amphitheater. Number 27. Lake Como. Lake Como is a beautiful lake located in the Italian Alps and Adige, surrounded by stunning mountain ranges and lush green forests. Number 28. Pinza is a small town in Tuscany, and it's known for its medieval architecture and picturesque streets. The town is also home to several Renaissance buildings. Number 29. Orvieto is a town in central Italy, and it is known for its impressive cathedral and charming old town. The town is also home to several underground tunnels and chambers. Number 30. San Gimignano is a town in Tuscany, and it's known for its medieval towers and picturesque skyline. The town is also home to several Renaissance buildings and art.